have the installation of a Mannington Adura Essentials color Tannin, which happens to be the most popular color in the whole line. And you can see here we're staging the material, getting ready for the installation. We had to go around this island, which is a little tricky going around it and meeting on the other side, but as you can see, it's getting done, and it's about 208 square feet of this, and there's some completed pictures. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see more videos of other types of flooring. And while you're there in YouTube, we would appreciate it if you would please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.